this video, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to make money on Clickbank. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I build passive income that is making me from $300 to $500 per month in just 5 minutes. So you can do this over and over again. So you can do this exactly the same method 10 times and make from $3,000 to $5,000 per month. So this is really an amazing opportunity, guys. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. I'm going to show you guys everything that I did, and I'm also going to show you guys how much money I have made. So make sure to watch this video till end, because it is going to be the most valuable video that you're going to watch on YouTube for free. And all that I'm asking for is, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button, because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button. So let's jump straight into this video, guys. Let's not waste any time. So first thing is, you need to find a good product, and that is really easy way to do it if you actually know how to do it. So a lot of you guys, I know you don't know how to pick the right product. So I'm going to show you guys and explain you guys everything on Clickbank that you actually need to know. So let's jump straight into that. So if you don't have a Clickbank account, it is really easy to make one. Just go on clickbank.com and click on create account. In a few seconds you can create your new Clickbank account. I have over 20 Clickbank accounts for each and every different product that I actually promote, but you actually need just one. You don't need to open 10 different Clickbank accounts. It doesn't make sense for you guys. So just enter here your personal information, banking information, and account information, and that is basically it. You're going to have your free Clickbank account in just a few minutes. So when you're done with that, I'm going to show you guys how you can pick the right product for this method. So you need to click on affiliate marketplace, and here you can see you can choose different categories, but that is not the way that we are going to go with this method. So you don't actually need to pick the category, because you can promote any product that you actually want, and I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do it. So we're going to click right here, and at the moment this product is most popular on Clickbank. So what you actually want to know when you're searching for a Clickbank product, you want to do a research if this product is actually good for promoting, if you actually want to promote it, and all other things. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to check out the page. So you want to click on the link for this product, and this is an example of an amazing landing page. So why is this landing page amazing? It doesn't have any distractions on the page, and here you can see they go straight to the point. That they tell you guys what are you going to see in this product and what is this video about. So they don't have any distractions. I hate it when they have some random links at the bottom right here, because that can distract your customer. So you don't want to have any links on your landing page. So this is, as I said, example of an amazing landing page, and they have like 40-minute video that is probably going to talk about how to lose weight, how to lose 84 pounds using 2 simple methods, and more. So basically that is it. And after, let's say, 5 minutes, the buy button is going to appear right at the bottom right here. So they don't want to show when your customer clicks on a Clickbank product, they don't want to show straight to their face buy button, because that is going to distract the customer. They're going to say they're trying to sell me something, and they're just going to move on and go away from your page basically. So when you try to leave a page, they're going to say hold on, don't leave the page, and basically that is it. So that is the method to check if Clickbank product is actually, if they have actually a good landing page. So this is, as I said, one of the best landing pages. And the next thing is you want to check out average per sale. So this is how much money you're going to make on average per sale. and $33.97 is how much money you can make on average from this product. So they give you guys on average 83% of the product, of the price of the product. So basically this product costs $37. You're going to make around $33.97. So that is about what are you going to make from this product. And this is right here the most important part that you want to search for. So this is how you're going to choose the product that you're going to promote. So this is really important because, as I said, this method is not something that you usually see, because we are going to do something different today. So the gravity is really important for this method, because this is going to show us that a lot of people are promoting this product. So there is a lot of people that are trying to promote and get a sale from this product, and this is really important because we know that there is a big hype around this product. So a lot of people know about this product, they're going to do a research of the product, and that is something that we actually need. So we need a big hype around the product. So here you can see this is an enormous gravity. Usually I would promote products that are above 30 gravity, but this product right here has 427 gravity. That means that almost 500 people are promoting this product, and as I said, there is a lot of hype around this product. So that is how we can see that this product is going to be a good one for our method. And also what you want to do is you want to check out if this product is actually legit, if you want to see if this product actually can help people. So if this product can actually help people, you want to promote it. If this product doesn't help people, you actually, that would be an immoral thing. You don't want to promote some stuff that actually won't help your viewer. That is not a good thing. So make sure to promote the product that can actually help people. Next thing that we want to do is we want to create a review video. So first I'm going to talk about how you can actually create review videos. So the first thing is you can open this page right here, and you can actually watch the video. You can find out what are they going to talk about in this video right here. So you can make a smaller version of this sales page, and also you want to go on affiliate page and you want to do a research of what is this product about. So you can usually find, here you can see send me info pack, so you can enter your email address. They're going to send you guys everything from email swipes to what you can get also an info for this product. So you can actually understand what is this product, and once you understand and you know what this product is about, you can create a review and you can basically say what have you read on that affiliate page. So you can actually just tell the people what are they going to find out in the product, and that is something that people are searching for. They want to see when they buy the product if they're going to get scammed, or if this product actually doesn't worth it or something like that. So that is why we are going to create a review video. Once you create a video, you want to post your video on YouTube, and you want to post your affiliate links in the description. So this is really easy to do, and you can do it in two ways. The ones that I'm going to show you guys, I'm using free screen recorder. So just go on Google and type in free screen recorder. You can actually download that screen recorder, and you can actually do a review of the video that I'm about to show you guys. So we can test, for example, let's see a review video for this product right here. So let's type in review, and here you can see this girl is talking about the product. You actually don't need to record your face. I actually didn't do it. I don't actually recording myself. I'm just recording my screen as I'm doing right now. So here you can see, if we click on this video right here, she's talking about the product that he have found on affiliate page, and here you can see this is her affiliate link. So when someone clicks on this affiliate link, they're going to be redirected to the product. And when someone buys this product, she's going to earn $33.97. So that is how you can do it really the easy way. So once you post your affiliate link at the description, at the end of your video, of your review video, you want to always ask your reviewers to click the link in description so they can get the product basically. So you're going to send them directly to the product, and this is really important because this is going to be in the description. This is going to be your affiliate link, so when someone clicks on your affiliate link, you're going to earn a commission. That is only way to make money with Clickbank, through your affiliate link. So how you can get your affiliate link: just click on promote, enter your Clickbank ID right here, and click on generate hop link. So here you can see this is our affiliate link, and when someone clicks on this affiliate link, you're going to earn a commission. So you don't want to post this affiliate link, it looks very ugly. So that is why I use always tiny URL. So basically just go on tinyurl.com and you can paste your affiliate link right here. You can make it a tiny one, and this is the one that we are going to use. So you can copy this URL right here. So when someone clicks on this link, it is going to be your affiliate link for this product. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to post that video on YouTube, and you want to repeat this process for every single product. So you can create these kind of videos in less than 5 minutes. So I'm going to show you guys now the product that I actually promoted on Clickbank, and that is called I think overnight millionaire. So basically this is the product that I actually created. I created actually a Clickbank review video for this product right here, and here you can see on average per sale you can earn around $90, but here you can see you can get up to 92% commission on this product if you actually have a lot of sales, but for now you're going to get 73% for each sale. So you can see some of the sales for the video. Here you can see I'm getting, as you can see right here, you can get $90, but it really depends on the currency that people are actually buying. So if the currency is not dollar, you're going to get a little bit lower. So here you can see some of my here you can see some of the earnings, and here you can see in 1 week $51, in other week $84, in a week before that. So an amazing way to make money on Clickbank. And as I said, if you want to make, let's say, 10 times more, just make 10 times more videos. Basically this was a case study on how to make money on Clickbank in just 5 minutes. So that will be it for today's video, guys. Make sure to press that like button if you want to see more free videos like this, because that is the only way to support me. Just press that like button because I'm doing these videos for free, guys. So just press that like button and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because we are uploading daily videos, so you don't want to miss them out. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon, and bye.